If you hold 300 watts on a Garmin, you might be sprinting, but at 300 watts on a Stryd, you might just be jogging. In cycling, a watt is a watt. But in running, power is the Wild West. If you switch from a Stryd foot pod to a Garmin watch, your functional threshold power could jump by 100 watts overnight. This happens because there is no strain gauge in the asphalt. Every device is guessing your power output using completely different math. Stryd uses a mechanical model. It measures the physical energy required to move your body weight forward and upward, plus it uses a wind port to measure air resistance. Wrist-based systems like Garmin or Polar operate differently. They take GPS speed, accelerometer data, and elevation, then apply an algorithm that often tries to estimate your metabolic cost, not just mechanical work. This means watts are not a universal language. You cannot take a target from a generic training plan and plug it into your watch without knowing which language that plan was written in. If you try to run a 300-watt Stryd workout using Garmin's native power numbers, you will likely blow up in the first mile because Garmin's scale is simply calibrated higher. But here is the good news. Accuracy doesn't matter. Consistency does. As long as your device measures your effort effectively relative to itself, it is a perfect training tool. We use power to govern effort on hills and in wind. We need the number to spike when we run uphill and drop when we run downhill. All major platforms do this successfully. Your strategy must be to pick one ecosystem and commit. Establish your critical power or FTP on that specific device and never compare it to your friend's data. Power is an incredible control tool, but only if you treat it as a personal relative gauge, not an absolute scientific truth. Pick one device, trust its trends, and ignore the rest.